This is what 2.1 million is gonna get you in Wayne, Pennsylvania. Let's take a look. Inside this 8,100 square foot home, 6-bed, 4.5 bath. Let's take a look. First, we're gonna start over here with the family room. Nice, huge windows, a lot of lighting, gorgeous area. Then we're gonna make our way over here, which is actually the dining room. Really nice, huge windows, nice drapes. And we're gonna make our way into the kitchen, which is absolutely insane. Before the kitchen, here's your main living area. Nice big couch, 20 feet high ceilings, massive windows. But let's take a look at the kitchen. This is probably my favorite part completely. In this kitchen, we have Brookhaven cabinetry. You have an 8-burner Wolf stove, integrated fridge. So it was hiding, we couldn't even find it the first time we came in here. You have 2 sinks, 1 small, 1 large. And looking out here, I mean, guys, this window, look how high it goes. The amount of natural light this house gets is absolutely amazing, but you can see the entire backyard from here. We're looking at our heated pool with a jacuzzi as well. This house is sitting on an acre of land, so you have a lot of lot size. But I mean, this is my favorite. Just doing your dishes here and you get to see the kids playing in the pool. Maybe I'm just too much of a fanatic about it, but I love it. Then you have a countertop, probably bigger than my bed, right here in the center of the kitchen, which is absolutely gorgeous. And guys, I mean, the cabinetry, the soft close, come on. All right, making our way outside of the kitchen, we're gonna be looking at the 3-car garage. So you have 3 cars. And then behind you is the laundry room. Also right here, you have a little wine rack, which is really cool. Awesome. And another countertop. Now we're gonna make our way upstairs. So we are upstairs. On the 2nd floor, we have 4 bedrooms. Let's take a quick look. Bedroom number 1 splits a Jack and Jill bathroom with another bedroom. So here's your 2nd bedroom. Pretty awesome. Then we're gonna make our way to the, I don't know, what's my favorite part about this house, the kitchen or the master? I can't choose. Let me know what you guys think down below, because this master is bigger than my house. All right. There's literally a little bit of an echo. It's so big in here. So you have a ton of living space in your master bedroom. We'll get to the master bathroom. And then you have another just cool hangout spot within the master for more storage and just literally lounging, doing whatever you want. There's literally a workout machine right there. Crazy. But let's look at the master bathroom. Master bathroom is absolutely gorgeous. You have multi-headed shower. You have your bathtub here. And then right behind you, you have your porcelain throne. And then over here, you have your closet, which is a large walk-in closet. After the closet, we will head out this other door. There's more doors in here than my house. And we will go upstairs again. So this is 3 stories, 4 floors. Let's see what's upstairs. But before that, I forgot there's another bedroom. Okay, so right here we have a linen closet, pretty cool. Another linen closet right behind you, cameraman. And then in here we have another bedroom, but this bedroom's a little special because they have their own full bath. All right, we are upstairs. Here is the final full bath. And on this 3rd floor, we have 2 other bedrooms. So like I said, 6 bedrooms, 4 on the 2nd floor and 2 on the 3rd floor. This window really makes me want to read a book. We also have a pretty big closet for this room. All right, and then over here we have the other bedroom, which is currently being used as a small office, which is definitely really cool. And you have a nice big window to get that sunshine, along with a lot of closets in here. So definitely a lot of storage. And you'll see a lot of storage in the basement. All right, we are back downstairs. Sorry, I literally work up a sweat going through this house just because it's so big. All right, let's take a look at the basement. Completely finished, by the way. So as we said, completely finished and actually newly finished. You literally still smell that new, I was gonna say new car smell, but new house smell. So you have a lot of space. Over here is another big storage unit where it's just a dark cave. But you have 2 of these rooms, just large storage rooms. We have a closet right here, then another large storage room, Just like so much space for storing stuff. I don't know about you guys, but like my garage full of stuff. But that wouldn't be the case here because you have all these rooms. I also like how they have a lot of mirrors in here just to like make it even like bigger. But that's pretty much it for the basement. So like we said, fully finished and tons of storage. And for me, that's a big plus. So let's head back upstairs. Oh wait, we forgot. Probably the third coolest room in this entire house is the office. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I watch CNBC occasionally, and when CEOs are being interviewed, that's the backdrop they have right there. You see how beautiful of a shot you can get on Zoom right here? Absolutely gorgeous. I don't know, I love stuff like this. Like we said, the house is sitting on an acre, so a lot of room. The owners have a dog, and the dog gets to run around everywhere. So yeah, let's take a look. Dude, why are you following me? I'm kidding. So this is the outside. We have a heated pool here and a jacuzzi right up there. And it's just like really nice out here today. I mean, what a beautiful day, guys. So blessed, absolutely phenomenal. But up here is the yard space. So, you know, your pet or little child that may act like a pet can just run around for as long as they want. And you might be able to lose them out here actually. So definitely a lot of yard space. Really working up a sweat here, Dean, geez. And it's also like really private. I don't know if Dean really, if Dean showed you the landscape here, but there's just a lot of trees everywhere. You have a lot of privacy. And like we said, this is the heart of Wayne. So a lot of people are moving to these areas because of the school district, Radnor Township, where is actually where I went to school, Radnor High School, Radnor Middle School, and Eichton Elementary School. And this is the prime area to get into Radnor. So almost got lost out there. That is pretty much gonna wrap up the video, guys. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like this house, what your favorite parts about it was, or maybe what you didn't like about the house. I try to reply to all comments. And also my phone number will be on screen. If you're ever looking for a house within Radnor, Wayne, the main line, I'll just reach out to me with any questions you have, not a bother. But yeah, honestly, we have this house for another like 5 minutes and I'm about to enjoy them. So see you guys later, peace.